Space travel, humanity's greatest frontier. Space travel, it's not just about reaching the stars. It represents one of humanity's most ambitious achievements and a gateway to answering some of the universe's greatest mysteries. From overcoming the challenges of living in zero gravity to the cutting-edge technology that makes interplanetary missions possible, space travel is filled with fascinating and mind-blowing facts. In this video, we'll uncover some of the most surprising truths about space travel, including hidden dangers, bizarre astronaut experiences, and what the future holds for interstellar exploration. Stay with us until the end, where we'll reveal a shocking fact about space that even seasoned experts don't know. Life in zero gravity: the good, the bad, and the unexpected. Zero gravity might sound like a dream come true, floating freely without the constraints of gravity, but it comes with a host of challenges. Did you know that prolonged exposure to zero gravity causes astronauts to lose 1% of their bone density every month? Muscles also weaken, leading to a condition known as muscle atrophy. To combat this, astronauts undergo rigorous exercise routines on specially designed equipment to stay fit. From cycling on stationary bikes to using resistance bands, these workouts are crucial for maintaining their health in space. But physical health isn't the only challenge. Zero gravity changes the way bodily fluids behave. Fluids tend to move upward, causing astronauts to experience puffiness in their faces and pressure on their sinuses. Even sleeping is a unique challenge, as astronauts must strap themselves into sleeping bags to avoid floating around the spacecraft. What do astronauts miss most about Earth while they're in space? You might think it's family or fresh air, but it's often the simple things like the feeling of gravity, the sound of rain, or even the taste of a freshly cooked meal. The strange and bizarre facts of space travel. Here's a surprising fact: space has a distinct smell. Astronauts describe it as a combination of seared steak, welding fumes, and metallic raspberries. This smell is most noticeable when astronauts re-enter their spacecraft after a spacewalk, as particles from space cling to their suits. Another odd fact: astronauts can't cry properly in space. Without gravity, tears don't fall. They just pool around the eyes. This leads to a stinging sensation rather than the emotional release we're used to on Earth. Also, in space, wounds heal more slowly, and even the common cold behaves differently. These quirks of space travel highlight just how unique the environment is compared to life on Earth. The hidden dangers of space travel. While space travel seems exciting, it's fraught with risks. One of the biggest threats is radiation exposure. Without Earth's protective magnetic field, astronauts are exposed to higher levels of cosmic radiation, which increases the risk of cancer and other health issues. Space agencies equip spacecraft with shielding to minimize exposure, but it's still a major concern, especially for long-duration missions like those to Mars. Re-entry into Earth's atmosphere is another perilous stage of space travel. The spacecraft must withstand extreme temperatures, often exceeding 1,600 degrees Celsius. A small miscalculation during re-entry could lead to catastrophic failure. Psychological challenges also play a significant role. Isolation, confined spaces, and the monotony of long missions can take a toll on astronauts' mental health. Agencies now focus heavily on psychological support and team dynamics to ensure the crew's well-being. The future of space travel. As we look to the future, space travel is evolving at an incredible pace. SpaceX is spearheading efforts to make Mars colonization a reality. With reusable rockets like the Starship, Elon Musk's vision of a self-sustaining colony on Mars is no longer just science fiction. Meanwhile, NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by the late 2020s, using it as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration. But that's not all. Scientists are working on revolutionary technologies like warp drives and interstellar travel. Warp drives could theoretically allow faster-than-light travel by bending space-time, bringing distant galaxies within reach. While these ideas remain in the realm of theoretical physics, The potential they offer could one day transform our understanding of space travel. What about space tourism? Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are already offering suborbital flights, making space travel accessible to civilians. In the next few decades, we could see space hotels, lunar vacations, and perhaps even Martian expeditions as part of the tourism industry. The final frontier awaits. Space travel is a blend of awe-inspiring wonder and significant danger. It challenges our ingenuity, pushes the boundaries of what's possible, and offers a glimpse into the vast potential of human exploration. As technology advances, we stand on the brink of an era where space travel could become as common as air travel is today. Want to dive deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos? Subscribe to our channel and explore our other videos on space travel and exploration. The journey is just beginning, and the universe has endless stories to tell.